Hello guys, thank you for watching my tutorials. This is Richard. Today tutorials we're going to see switch, the use of switch. Okay, what do we need switch? In most case we need to use switch when we want to switch on multiple choices we have. Okay, take an example of a mobile phone where you are using a USSD. You choose maybe one to select the account balance, or you choose two to check how much you spend a month in a month. It's between of multiple choice you have on using single input. Okay, switch is like this, where you switch on which expression, which is object, and you have multiple choices that can come according to this given object. So you can go ahead and say switch on object dot okay, now I say name, object name, and we want to say if it is Richard. We are going to say, guys, you won this game, Alex. I am happy. Yes, because I feel like I'm happy. So in a switch we have a case where we say, if it is this case, I'm going to do this. If it is the second case, if it is like this, I'm going to say I'm so happy. Okay, now you can see that in the switch we have multiple choices. We are having this object, we try to compare with multiple choices. We're asking a question is this object is equal to this? If it is, okay, we are going to do this. If this object is equal to this, okay, we are going to do this. Okay, now there is a default option you can do this. Aren't, hey guys, nothing that comes with your guess. Okay, now a default works only when we have no option to select in our cases. So now let's go ahead and check out. We're trying to see if a name is equal to Richard. We're going to say, hey, I'm happy. You see? Oh, you see, if this object is equal to Richard, I'm going to say I'm happy. But if it's going to be this name, it's going to say I'm so happy. But what if someone is not trying to input, to give the correct values? If it's maybe saying like this, hey guys, nothing comes with your guess. Okay, this is the default. If all these cases are missing, if we have no any matching cases, we go ahead and use this default option provided when someone is missing. To give you a hint, guys, imagine if you are creating a game where you have to tell user to place maybe yes or no oh guys, which example can I give you? If you are selecting multiple choices and you have to guess in between multiple choices, and if you miss out, this default message should be there, maybe telling you guys you have not guessed according to the number provided. Please, can you try again another tricks or another things? So that is how a switch works. It's really simplified task. It also simplifies how you can use if and else and if and else and else and else. So it can be also very useful when you have a lot of things that can be combined with where you can use if and else, you can use switch, because switch is most powerful and more readable way of writing your codes. If you have seen that if is like saying if this object is equal to Richard, then do this, else if this object is equal to this, do this, else. Thank you for watching my tutorials, and this tutorials was to show you how to use switch in AngularJS. And if you like my tutorials, please subscribe to my tutorial, to my channels. And if you like it so much, please press likes button, and remember to share my videos to anyone, because I want this year to AngularJS to be something really useful for most people, because this is something really amazing. Thank you for watching. See you next.